Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can make a low-calorie, low-sodium sriracha dip, dressing, or spread for a fraction of the price of prepared varieties. The key ingredient is Thai sriracha chili sauce, available at most grocers in the international food section. Along with the chili sauce, you can now find a prepared sriracha sauce made with full-fat mayonnaise. This version has 90 calories and 210 milligrams of sodium per 1 tablespoon serving. A 1/3 cup serving of the full-fat version has about 500 calories compared to 130 calories for this recipe. To make 1 cup, you'll need 1/2 cup of reduced fat or regular mayonnaise. For the lowest number of calories, use reduced fat mayonnaise. 1/2 cup of unflavored natural or Greek yogurt. Yogurt provides protein. Using 2% fat yogurt adds about 3 calories per serving. 1 to 3 teaspoons of sriracha Thai chili sauce, adjusting the amount to taste. For a thinner consistency or for use as a salad dressing, thin with water, milk, or a combination of the three for the flavor and texture you desire. In a small bowl, add the mayonnaise and yogurt. Stir the mayonnaise and yogurt until you have a uniform consistency, and then add about 1 teaspoon of sriracha chili sauce. Check the flavor, and if desired, stir in more chili sauce. Repeat until the mixture has the heat intensity you desire. If your mixture becomes too spicy, stir in more yogurt, mayonnaise, or combination of the two. This version made with Greek yogurt is extremely thick. It's ideal for a sandwich spread, but needs thinning to be used as a dip or salad dressing. I've started by adding 2 tablespoons of water. You can use milk if desired. The mixture is still thick, so I'll add 1 tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Here is the difference in consistency before and after thinning. Your dip, dressing, or spread can be used immediately or covered and refrigerated for later use. In addition to using it as a dip, this recipe can replace ketchup and mayonnaise in hundreds of other recipes. The number of uses is limited only to your imagination. Compared to versions made only with mayonnaise, this recipe has 25 calories, 0 grams of saturated fat, about 45 milligrams of sodium, and by adding yogurt, 1 gram of protein. A homemade version made with full-fat mayonnaise has the same number of calories and protein as prepared versions, but up to 60% less sodium. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.